Today we learn farm animals. Cow, this is a cow. Dog, this is a dog. Cat, this is a cat. Pig, this is a pig. Sheep, this is a sheep. Hen, this is a hen. Donkey, this is a donkey. Rabbit, this is a rabbit. Duck, this is a duck. Parrot, this is a parrot. Horse, this is a horse. Pigeon, this is a pigeon. Rooster, this is a rooster. Mouse, this is a mouse. Deer, this is a deer. Thanks for watching Kids Learning Zone, and subscribe my channel for more educational videos.